see the damaged end of his car by a bear. Tore up both windows and the back seats. Trying to get to the trunk. Here's the official start of the trail to Yosemite Falls. The trail climbs to this wide ledge covered with trees, passing below Columbia Rock before curving toward the falls. It drops a bit and then climbs steeply toward this notch. Then the trail approaches the brink of the falls from the side. Along the trail we could look back at the parking area for Camp 4 and at Camp 4 itself from Columbia Point in this picture with railings so you can protect yourself. We had dramatic cliffs above us as we continued to hike along. There's Mally and Art along the Yosemite Falls Trail. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning or so. Here's a view of Half Dome from along the Yosemite Falls Trail. And then we looked down into the valley from the steepest part of the trail. At the top, we reached a trail junction. From there, we reached a high point above the falls and then climbed down to it. There's Mally, and we're at the Yosemite Falls overlook. See how far it is down to the valley floor. I'm feeling a little water spray. Wow. Yosemite Creek. We're going down some handrails to get to the overlook. You have?
Yeah.
Okay, well. Top of Yosemite Falls. That's the trail, yeah. We were on that trail down there. Oh, I do. I see somebody moving.
Oh yeah, now I see it. Now he's going to the tree to rest.
We should go check out that bridge after we eat, huh?
Yeah. Rainbow. You can see a rainbow. Looky. Rainbow. Stand over here, you can see it. Whoa! That's cold! Cold water! Woo. Can't even see the lower falls. Oh, I can see people on the trail out to it though. That's the trail right there. The paved walkway to the lower falls.
Oh, yeah.
Sentinel dome across from us.
Well,
This is the Yosemite overlook. Yosemite Falls. And there's Mally heading back up. Oh, cold droplet. The stairway down to the Yosemite Falls overlook. We're climbing back up, away from the overlook. There's Mally and Art. Well, Half Dome's over there, just out of view. Sentinel Dome. After seeing the falls, we wanted to go see the bridge over Yosemite Creek and soak our feet in the water for a little while. Yosemite Creek before the falls. And here's the bridge. Mary. These still images should give you a pretty good idea of how steep the trail is, and then how steep a cliff you have over you when you look up. About 4 o'clock. June 2nd. Because of the way Yosemite Falls is recessed into the cliff and the way it's oriented, it actually gets into shadow by late afternoon. Got a double rainbow. King snake. Along the Yosemite Falls Trail. Oh, I see him. 2 of them. Came right up to the tail of the other one. I guess they know each other. They're an item. Altogether, we hiked 3.2 miles to the top of Yosemite Falls one way, and here are the stats for Yosemite Falls, the upper falls, the middle Cascades, and the lower falls. Altogether, we climbed 2,425 feet, or 739 meters. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it and are inspired to go hike it for yourself.